Hey guys, what is up? My name is Hunter with Easy Like 123 Marketing, where I help you grow and scale your HVAC business to $10,000 more every single month using my HVAC experience and my marketing strategies. If you don't want to piece together all my YouTube videos, go down in the description below. Sign up for my $7 a month program, and it'll be a step-by-step videos on everything you need to do for HVAC business. So other than that, I'm going to share my screen. And I'm going to be showing you how to do an ad that works 100% for Facebook. You do it yourself, it's going to work. I guarantee it. So let's get into the video. Now, this ad right here, you see how the primary text is just 5 stars? And it says, fantastic company with unbelievable customer service. I would highly recommend them for all your needs. Tim B. So I would do my 115 method. If you don't know that method, you need to watch my other videos or buy my course for my program. But I do the 115 method, and I would do this for the primary text and the heading. I would literally copy this into the heading and have another 5 stars in the heading. Get 5-star service. I'll show you what I mean. I've been running ads for this and it's actually been working. I'm getting a great cost per message of like $3 a message. Now this is going to be different for you because I'm doing a different company. So it's going to be a little different, but I know it works. So literally this is a different ad, but it's just a little different. So literally have yourself in front of an air conditioner with you and the customer smiling. Copy the text here, run the ad, and watch it work. Okay, that's your mission. That's what you need to do if you want an ad to work. Literally, this is probably the best ad. All these ads are good, but they're gonna take a little bit more effort, to be honest with you. But if you do this ad with the customer and yourself, just like I had, I guarantee you it'll probably work. You're just gonna have to split test and you're gonna need to try some stuff out. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna end the video. Hope you learned something, and sign up for my $7 a month club down below if you want to learn everything, step-by-step videos, and I'll see you guys.